Hi guys, welcome to my blog. On today's episode, I'm starting a new series, and this is just going to be about fruits. It's a fruity word. Now, these guys, fruits generally are required whenever you're building like immune system. I'll be doing this every other week to show you different foods I'll be consuming and the health benefit of these fruits. Before I proceed, please kindly subscribe to this blog, click on the notifications button so that every time I make a new post, you won't miss it. Now, let's get into it. Now, this is cucumber. Now, this is the first review I'm making about fruits generally. And one of the reasons why I chose cucumber is because it is affordable, and it is generally available everywhere. And I'll be doing videos like this every other week. I'll be planning to consume over 100 fruits within few months. Now, and let's see how many fruits I can consume before the end of this year. Now, let's get into it. Now, this is cucumber. One of the reasons why I love cucumber is because it contains several nutrients. And I'm talking about nutrients that are really good, to build the immune system. Also, I like cucumber because it is good for hydration in the sense that it contains majorly water, like loads of water in here. So if you're that kind of person that you're not used to drinking water every time, but you want to make sure you're well hydrated, now this is good for you. It also helps to lower sugar level in the system. So if you're that kind of person that you're prone to high excess sugar level, you can actually adopt this. It helps to lower sugar level in the system. It is also good for weight loss. So if you're planning to lose weight, now you should consider cucumber. It helps to reduce constipation, builds the immune system, and also it is good for glowing skin. Like if you want to have that kind of flawless, beautiful, glowing skin, you should consider cucumber. Lastly, it helps to strengthen the immune system. Now let's trash this guy. I'm trashing it right now. I'll show you how to cut the cucumber and different ways to consume the cucumber. Like I was saying, to get started, the first thing you have to do is take your cucumber, wash. Now, to be sure you're getting the best value, I really advise just take soap and water, wash it thoroughly. And that's because most of the time you don't know where this thing is coming from, how many hands have touched it. So rather than just using ordinary water, use soap, like wash, and make sure after washing you rinse properly. So once you rinse, you could either just take a bite or you cut it into pieces like this, something like this. So I can just do this. So, and like I said earlier, there are several benefits of eating this. It's good for the skin. This is so good. One of the ways to preserve this is actually to just store it in the refrigerator. And yeah, as it is right now, it's very chilled. So if you're ready to eat, you just cut it into pieces. This is good. Also, we're trying to identify the very good one. Now, because I realized many people usually end up buying the not so sweet one or the bitter one. Always ensure this back is not too green. The easiest way is this. Look out for this back. If it is too greenish and having some marks on it, like it's looking dry, there's a chance that it is not doesn't contain a lot of water and it might be bitter. But if it is looking fresh, like as you can see, look at this, looking fresh, bright, green, like and it doesn't have colorations. So another way to identify the bitter ones is when it start having several colorations. There's a chance that you might not be getting the very sweet type. So look out for one that is looking really fresh. It's looking healthy. Let me put it that way. And it doesn't have several colorations around it. So this is one way to know the cucumber that is good for you. Like I said, it's good for the skin, it's good for losing weight, it's good for hydration, and it's also good whenever you're trying to maintain a very good sugar level in your system. So basically, it helps to reduce the sugar level in your system. It boosts the immune system, and also it contains several nutrients that are really, really good for the body. Now, and if you're wondering why should you eat cucumber, now these are some of the reasons why you should eat this. And I'll be making several videos like this where I'll be consuming different fruits, and I hope to consume as many as 100 fruits in the next few months. Now let's see if I'll be able to meet this target and how long it's going to take me to meet this target. Now, I'll see you next time. If you're here to subscribe, I do videos about food, travels, and mostly how to make money online. So if you're basically, it's more like having a balanced life. That's where you can make money legitimately, live a good life, and also, eat some of the best foods in the world. I see you next time. Bye.